on, girls. Ever opened your closet only to feel like you've got a ton of clothes and nothing to wear? I've been there, but fret not. Today, I'm here to share some tricks that transformed my basic outfits from meh to wow. First things first, let's talk colors. Neutrals are the unsung heroes of fashion. They're versatile, easy to mix and match, and they basically go with anything. Imagine a cozy sweater that pairs effortlessly with different bottoms. Neutrals make that magic happen. Now, if you're craving more colors, it's time to understand the color wheel. Opposite colors bring boldness, while adjacent colors create a smooth blend. It's like an art project for your wardrobe. But the secret sauce, knowing which colors vibe with your skin tone, it's like finding your fashion superpower. Speaking of skin tones, let's decode that mystery. Veins tell the tale. Blue and purple mean cool undertones, while greenish veins hint at warmth. Got a mix? You're the lucky neutral squad. Avoid hues too close to your skin tone and embrace those that make you glow. Next stop, proportions and silhouettes. Ever put on an outfit and felt something's amiss? It might be the proportions. Think of your outfit in thirds, top, bottom, and something eye-catching. High-waisted pants? They're like magic wands, elongating your legs and defining your waistline. Mixing and matching textures and sizes is where the real fun begins. Baggy top, fitted bottom, or vice versa. It's the secret sauce to looking effortlessly stylish. And fabrics? Thick and soft scream sophistication, while stiff ones add unnecessary bulk. Accessories! They're the cherry on top. Bags, belts, jewelry, the list goes on. They elevate your outfit from nice to wow. Choose versatile pieces that jazz up most of your looks effortlessly. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. And if this helped, consider subscribing for more fashion tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous. Be a version of yourself.